What's up, guys? It's Tfsi video for it. In today's video, we are going to be slapping back on my charcoal canister. I did not show you guys me taking it off because I kind of made a TikTok and I only got like 1,000 views, so ignore that part. Also, I'd like to address that in the last video, I decided to call the filter that was on the charcoal canister when really it was just a filter on the charcoal canister, and the whole thing is a charcoal canister. Make sense? When we took out the charcoal canister, me and my friends deciphered that it was full of water. At first, we thought it was fuel, and then we decided that the system is a dry system and it does not have fluid in it. Then we dumped the fluid out of it and it was water. The only explanation I have for such a weird thing is the filter got clogged with snow and then it sucked it up into the canister and melted. So we ripped it off and left it in the house for the night to dry out, and hopefully we could reuse it. If not, it turns out all it is $150, and I can spare that, I guess. Also, thanks to you guys, I've earned my first dollar from monetization from YouTube. Woo! All right, I realized just now that I was talking on it, so peace out. We're gonna jump right in the video right now. Right now. All right, so I threw the charcoal canister back in. I don't even feel like trying to see if it works because I've slept like 5 hours in the last like 2 days, 3 days. I don't remember, but I'll see you guys in the next clip. All right, it's the next clip, and I still have not tried to start my car yet. I just don't want to deal with it right now, you know? But I do have an idea to prevent this from ever happening again. We are going to take my stock OEM wheel wells and we're gonna cut the middles out of them so I can air out fully, and they can also protect my precious electronics in my car. Also, it looks absolutely terrible being able to see back behind my fender, and when the bumper's on, you can see it in this area, and it just looks like a clapped out Civic. Which, you know, actually brings me to the idea that I should probably start the car and see if this works because it is in this wheel well. I would just put it in and then have to take it right back out. So I should probably see if it works. And if it doesn't, I can do the other 3 wheel wells and just not this one. I can wait for that one. We're just gonna have to let that run for a little bit. My inner core is still crooked. I need to make brackets for it. This thing sounds good at idle, but when you drive it, it sounds like a doo-doo. And I need to fix that too. That looks like shit. Oh, no codes are found. Okay. I'm gonna let the car run a little longer because I don't know if I gave it enough time to throw a code. We gotta help this thing warm up a little bit. All right, code check. No codes so far. So I'm gonna assume that it's either fixed or I need to drive it for it to throw the code again. It seems fine, and before the codes were getting thrown very, very quickly. So I may have fixed it. I'm definitely not gonna get my hopes up because, you know, the world hates me. All that means is we're probably all right for now to throw the wheel well on this side. I only feel like doing the rear today. I just don't want to do anything. Work keeps fucking me over and I'm exhausted. So we're probably just gonna throw these 2 on today. Oh, we gotta go on an adventure into the basement. Hi, Capone. All right, this is my corner of stuff, my wheel wells. I have wheels over there. I have a catalytic converter. If anybody wants to buy it, hit me up. And basically, if anybody needs OEM A3 stuff, I have it. So hit me up if you need it. But this is what I want right here. It's me on the block looking like a goddamn hobo. Also super sick nasty. I was literally just thinking about this. I'm pretty sure these are the cords for my bag controller. Probably not gonna work either. So we're gonna try this first because it's easier. Okay, I literally bought panel popping tools for this and I already lost them. So we're just gonna use it my handy dandy flathead. Open this before. What the hell? Who knows? This could be nothing. It's nothing. It's actually a filter for my compressor, and I'm really pissed off. It's gray. My compressor's black, so it's going to be an inconsistency, and my slight OCD is going to be pissing me off. Okay, let's not do what Yax did. Oh my god, that looks absolutely terrible. To find the right side rear wheel well, definitely one of these ones. Here, can you hold this? Okay, I've seriously taken this wheel off like 3 or 4 times in the last like 2 days. So this is the last time it's coming off, hopefully. So basically, cut out this section and then this section. Might need some more trimming, but we're good for now. I basically wanted this filter blocked off. I might actually have to throw another piece up here, but that's what sucked up all the water into the evap system to begin with. All right, we got one side in. It's looking pretty decent. It actually went in pretty good. It's still pretty solid. I was expecting it to be loose. I might throw a zip tie up there just for safekeeping, but looks pretty good. Definitely needs a wash. All right, I'm going to air the car out real quick and see if I butt up against anything on that side. Doesn't look like I'm even close to it. Definitely not. And that looks a hell of a lot cleaner. Hopefully this side fits as nice as the other side did. I think I cut the other side a little better. All right, so I got the second one in here. It might end up making a lot more sense in the future if I just cut this middle piece out, because it's just, there's nothing up here to hold it. Basically, I got these covered up. That's what I wanted. This covered up right here, so nothing is getting in here, you know, salt, things that can damage the car. I have these little air lines back here, and they're back in behind this, and they have a little more protection from salt and things like that. So I'm gonna throw the wheel back on here. I don't know if I'm gonna do the front today just because I don't feel like it. Our cord for our bag rider controller actually came in, so I'm really excited about that. I want to see if it works or not. I have a feeling it's not going to work. The issue is the controller, so I really want to try that out. So we're going to throw the wheel back on here and then go and do that. It's not your typical micro USB. They're like 3 something, I don't know. There's something fancy. They have a weird end on them. I guess they hold more power or something, or transport more information. No idea. So the initial issue was that this cable doesn't work, but I kind of have a feeling that the controller itself doesn't work. So we're gonna go down into here and unplug this and try a new cable. Watch this shit. That shit is awesome. Thank God that worked. I don't know why that didn't work, and also I had to pay for it. They should have refunded me for that crap. You guys haven't noticed from my video yet, I'm super ADD, so like I lose attention very, very quickly. I was putting my wheel wells in, then I started messing with the controller, and now I'm fixing my little diffuser mishap. Ignore the drill. I'm not drilling into carbon fiber. Also, another thing about me, I'm a certified zip tie mechanic, and all creators do this, all car people do this, they just don't show you. I do. It actually looks slightly better. It's just really dirty, so you can see distinctly where it was. Actually, I don't know if it's much better. If it sat like this all the time, that'd be perfect. Carbon just doesn't fit sometimes. All right, so I don't really feel like tucking that wire in. I'm gonna do it tomorrow, but yeah. So next clip. Okay, actually, I lied. It's way too cold. If you are in the United States, we're having this storm. It's way too cold outside. But I did drive my car a short little bit yesterday, and it is still misfiring very, very slightly. It did help a little bit, and it's still throwing codes. So I had to order a new charcoal canister, and I ordered what's called a LDP, leak detection pump, and that could be faulty as well. So I spent like $250 to fix this. Hopefully it fixes it. If not, I might have to scrap and get a TTRS or some shit, because it's getting annoying. But you know, we're all about that slammed bagged life, so it comes with issues. That is going to be the end of the video, guys. Make sure you're commenting, liking, subscribing, turning on post notifications, all that shit. If you need dope car apparel, go to endoftheroadclothing.com, use code S2TV. You get 10% for everything on the website: banners, stickers, merch. Oh my, you get everything, anything you want. Go cop that shit. I'm sorry, guys, there wasn't a Christmas drop. Trevor, if you're watching this, you're slacking heavy, dude. But peace out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a Merry Christmas. And as always, as new, it's my new catchphrase: don't get overwhelmed.